That is a lot of lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lights. How many other things? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8. 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 12 things on that cockpit thing. Yeah. Oh, it's not us. No. Just want to show you guys it's a lot of switches and button. There's always the red button that you never want to press.
From Ellenville, New York.
Really?
Come up to the front desk. You're in a prize for you. Just want a cruise for 2. Thank you.
Could have been me. Yeah, that could have been me. We got us some nice boats up in here. Nice stepsometer. Yep. And
Keep you out of the
going
weather.
in. It's nice.
Yeah.
It is very, very nice. Look at that. That is a very nice dash. Yes, sirree, it is. So it's nice comfy seat. Chill here, read a book. Yes, I could. Chill here and read a book.
Look at that one. It's got the
Yeah.
full enclosure.
This little boat. Doing there. Pretty comfy boat. All in all. Nice sunroof. Look at the paint on this. Okay. Nice boats. Don't trip. Trying to keep the place inflated.
If I'm eating fish, you can't fish.
Look at the paint on this boat.
Oh yeah.
$2,700.
Plus tax and title. About 30,000 altogether. Maybe more.
I'm not getting up here, but Yamaha 4-stroke. Dad, this 150 horse. Hello, it's me. How are you guys? Yeah, it's the next day after all that stuff you saw from the boat show and wherever it was. No, I don't think anyone's gonna know where it was unless you were there. Yeah, they were trying to keep the place inflated the whole time. What? What are you doing?
Getting out my car.
Sheesh, guys. I'm here recording these challenge thingies with my good friend, hold on. I can't see you.
Hey guys, how are you?
That is the person, Molly from the Molly Show. We are here to record challenges. Yeah, you will see a bunch of those some other time. Right now, we're just chillaxing in between recordings. You guys do not get to see what challenges they are, but I will give you a hint to one of them. Marshmallows. They're so marshmallowy. You smell that? Smell that. Yeah. Smell it. Smell it. They smell good. But yeah, guys, that's it for this time. I will see you guys later. Be a peep. Subscribe. This is Seth bringing you another vlog. Goodbye.